right, so how exactly did I get a 50-cent item from Walmart and turn it into thousands of dollars? Okay, people are probably like, yo, this can't happen. Like, how did you literally go get something for 50 cents from Walmart and turn it into thousands of dollars? It's easy. I was making money every week. Let me tell you exactly what I did, and I'll even get some pictures on the screen here shortly so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Here's a scoop. Walmart has some pies, okay? Walmart has pecan pies. They have blueberry pies. They have all types of pies available at the very front of the store and in the bakery department, right? So, you can see it on the screen now, I had a dessert company. Feel free to go check out the Instagram page, see what's going on, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Well, there was a certain vendor, I believe it was called Table Talk Pies. Table Talk Pies was the distributor or the maker of these pies that I wanted for my dessert company, because I needed more product, I needed more SKUs, I needed items to actually put inside of restaurants, convenience stores, out of the dessert trailer. So I liked the pies at Walmart. I was like, yo, these are only 50 cents. This is not that really bad of a deal. I can flip that to $2-3 a piece. But, I'm like, getting it from Walmart, let me hit the distributor. So what I did, I hit up this Table Talk Pies. If I'm not mistaken, that's the name of the company. I hit them up. They said, okay, we can supply you with pies, but it's going to be about $1. I think it was like $1.20 a piece that it came down to get these pies to me here in Austin, Texas, to be able to sell. Now, I was like, okay, wait a second, $1.10, $1.20, but if I buy them directly from Walmart, it only costs freaking 50 cents. Why am I going to pay double? Because obviously they get shipped and this and that. I said, screw that, let me go ahead and just realistically just get them from Walmart. So what did I do? The entrepreneur that I am, I said that might be the better deal to just go get them from Walmart. So I had to come up with a story, okay? Because if I'm, starting to buy, I think the case was 24. Yeah, 24 pies per case. So a case of 24 pies was literally $12. People, $12 were these pies. So I said, okay, let me go get these pies. But if I'm buying 50 or 100 or 200 at a time per week, I need to come up with a story. So I was like, okay. But the first thing I had to make sure of, I looked on the pie and it says, on the package, it says distributed by Walmart stores. Okay, cool. It doesn't say anything about reselling. It doesn't say don't resell, no individual sale, whatever. So, okay, cool. I'm covered on that aspect. But also another thing was, on the package of the pie, it never said that it was my pie. It never said that it was a Stumpy's pie. It just said pecan pie on the label, but it had my website and whatever. And on the back, it said distributed by Stumpy's, and it gave the address of the commercial kitchen and such. So I had to make up a story of why this crazy ass guy is buying so many pies. So I told him, oh yeah, I do catering. Well, technically I do catering. I cater to my customers and eat the pies, right? Yep. So anyways, that's how it all started. But here's the innovation of the product. If Walmart is selling a random little pie with nothing on it, I said, okay, that's a 50-cent pie. How can I turn it into $3 at the trailer and then like $4.50 or whatever it was with the ice cream and the caramel on top? And how can I wholesale at convenience stores and restaurants? Let me do something a little bit innovative with the same pie. So I, what was it called? Was it Webstaurant store? I was getting these little containers for literally 10 or 15 cents a piece. I was putting a pretty little thing of chocolate on top and a marshmallow in the middle. Bam! I turned a 50-cent pie into $3. I did that over and over and over again, made thousands of dollars doing it. So if any of y'all just literally want to go hit some licks, that's all you have to do. Okay, you can get the blueberry pie. You can get the, excuse me, the apple pie, whatever. It doesn't matter. If you know how to hustle, if you know how to flip, I literally just gave you the game right here. You could do this at your school carnival. You could do it wherever. You're basically just redistributing. That's all you're doing. I looked into it. There's no law against redistributing. Now, it might be different if you're claiming it is maybe your pie and claiming that you came up with the recipe and it's your proprietary product. But in the end, there you go. How I turned 50 cents into thousands and thousands of dollars being the entrepreneur that I am.